Hey guys, in this video, I want to go over how you can access more of the video recordings than just what's saved in Sentry mode as well as Dashcam. You actually have access to a lot more video recordings than you might otherwise expect. So opening up our Dashcam Sentry mode app here, and we can open things up over here on the side with our menu. And in here, we can see we have Sentry mode and Dashcam video that we can get access to here. So if you want to get access to more videos than this, what we're going to do is open up our glove box by opening up our side menu here and then clicking on the glove box over here. And then in our glove box, we're going to take out our USB device, and this is where our videos are stored on. So to get access to more videos, we're going to take this over to our computer, plug this into a USB port, and then access the files through there.
So now I'm over on my desktop computer. I plugged in my Tesla USB stick into my desktop. So now from here, what we want to do is launch a File Explorer. And then in our File Explorer, we want to open up our Tesla USB drive. That's going to take us over to this folder. What we want to do is open up our Tesla Cam. So for your Dashcam saved clips, those are going to be in this folder that's labeled Saved Clips. For your Sentry mode clips, those are of course going to be in the Sentry Clips folder. But then the last hour of recordings that your Tesla has on file, you can get access to those in your recent clips. So if we open this up, it's going to have your back, front, left, and right repeater cameras, and it's going to have 1 minute clip segments of each of those cameras, and it's going to go back over the last hour of footage. So even if your Tesla didn't save a video clip to Sentry mode or to your Dashcam footage, you still can find it in this folder, which is named your recent clips. If you do this relatively quickly, like I said, within the last hour of your Tesla either being parked in a parking lot recording clips or driving around, you can get access to those in this area. So I hope this video is helpful, going over how you can access more of the video footage that your Tesla is recording beyond just what shows up in the Sentry mode, as well as your Dashcam footage. Again, if what you're looking for has happened within the last hour of your Tesla recording videos. So I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.